my lovely Capricorns, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Capricorns, today we are going to do the collective reading of your sign for the month of August 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Capricorn, a couple of points before we begin this reading. I was extremely short of time this month, and I had actually decided not to do the readings for the month of August because we are almost at the end of the month and I had not even begun my readings. But somehow I took this decision at the last moment, and so I'll be pulling very quick energies for each of the sun signs, quick messages, and I'm going to keep it really very short, okay? I won't be doing a detailed reading, okay? In case you want a detailed reading, you can contact me for personal reading, okay? So yeah, so coming to your overall energy, guys, when I closed my eyes for meditation, I saw a flicker of lot of candles, okay? There was a bunch of candles. That image or that vision just splashed in front of my eyes, okay? I feel the word that kept on coming to my mind while shuffling and while meditating also was light, okay? Light, okay? It's like someone is trying to seek light within, trying to seek the spiritual guidance within one own self, okay? I could also feel that someone is kind of trying to find light or move towards light or cling to certain hope, okay? That's the kind of energy I was feeling, experiencing. To whoever this is resonating, we have had a full moon in Aquarius yesterday, and somehow this full moon has been really heavy, you know. I have been feeling a lot of intense energies. Basically, I feel that is cascading to many signs as well, okay? I could see that heaviness in many of readings as well, okay? So yeah, guys, moving to your overall energy, this is, by the way, my new deck, and it's so amazing. The images just talk to you, okay? But the only problem is that deck is so big, I am not able to shuffle. Like, I really have a tough time shuffling this deck. Anyway, the overall energy for you guys is that of Prince of Swords. Now, if you see the card closely, okay, this person is, you know, that person is just ready to take action, okay? Just ready to take action, is headed headstrong, in a headstrong manner somewhere, okay? He has his tools or weapons in place, his strategy in place. He is also taking the right care, okay? He's shielding well from the potential dangers, okay? He has his vehicle ready, everything. He's just ready to take that action, okay? To me, this feels like you guys are ready to take some action, or there is some very rapid change that is going to happen in your life, okay? Some energies coming to your life in a very full swing, okay? Full swing. It's like going to take you by surprise, maybe, okay? But something that will, you know, just give that kick or push to your life, okay? If this is your energy, if you are wanting to take some swift action, please be careful, be alert, okay? Do not end up taking any wrong decisions in haste, okay? Or in the splur of moment, okay? Or in the splur of emotions. Just be very careful is what I'm seeing over here. I can see that you're quite adequately prepared to take that action, but if not, just be very careful, okay? Just give it a second thought. Also, if it's an energy entering in your life, I know it's going to kind of throw you off the balance is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah. So guys, energy in your recent past is that of King of Swords. There are a lot of swords in this energy. Maybe you guys have air in somewhere in your chart, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But this King of Swords and this Prince of Swords look like the same energy to me. It feels to me that, and this looks like it's your energy, guys. You have kind of decided to speak your truth, after which you have put your foot down. You have communicated your point well. You have put your point across. you have decided to say no to some BS from someone, okay, be it at personal front, be it at work front, okay. And this is you completely in this Prince of Swords energy, like, okay, you have spoken your mind, you have put your thoughts across, and now you are ready to take that action, okay. You have communicated your point, and now you're just ready to face the consequences as well as take the actions, the required actions, is what I'm getting over here. The energy in your current place is that of Three of Cups. This is all about celebrating your victory. This, I feel that this is you who is celebrating yourself, okay. You are acknowledging the beautiful being that you are, and this is happening after a long time, is what I'm getting over here. You have decided, or you have started getting the difference between who is good for you and who is not, okay. Who is your real friend, who is your real circuit of friends and family and well wishers, and who are just the pretenders, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting over here. That's why you have started decluttering yourself in terms of energies, and acknowledging and valuing your true friends and true selves. You are spending quality time with your family and loved ones. You're spending quality time with your friends, or the people who truly matter to you. Also, I feel, just looking at this lady in the picture, it's a very beautiful image. I don't know if you can see it, but I feel that you are holding your cup high, okay. This is you celebrating you. There are a lot of emotions splurging over here, and you are feeling good about yourself, is what I'm seeing. And that is like, it's like finally I'm there, finally I've done it, finally I am proud of myself, that kind of energy I'm getting over here. The energy in your immediate future is Six of Pentacles clarified by Page of Pentacles. Now I feel that you guys might get some opportunity in terms of career, wherein you'll get a lot of money. You will be able to, the offer will be such that it will help you fulfill your certain dreams, okay, in certain goals that you had, okay, certain materialistic goals. Maybe if you wanted to buy a car, maybe you wanted to buy a house, buy some jewelry for yourself, or whatever it is, whatever were your goals. I think this is the key to that, okay. This is the key to that. This offer, this opportunity is the key to that will bring you a lot of abundance, using which you'll be able to bring some reality, bring some dreams into reality in terms of material possessions. I feel some of you guys will also be using this money in well-being of a few people. Maybe you'll indulge in some charity, maybe you'll help someone, some child to get education, or whatever, some sort of charity. You will invest this money directly in well-being of someone, okay. Taking care of someone's financial issues is what I'm seeing over here in your immediate future. It's a very nice energy. It's a very abundant energy, and the money is being utilized for some good causes, what I'm seeing. Yes. The advice for you guys is that of Ace of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. Definitely very empowering energy, guys. I feel that you guys are headed towards new beginnings, new chapters, brand new beginnings, passionate new beginnings. The wheel of life is turning for you for better, okay. And this is what, like I said, there is going to be a sudden change in your life. This Prince of Swords and this Wheel of Fortune is kind of going hand in hand with you guys, for you guys rather, and there is going to be a swift change in your life. It's going to be a game changer, okay. It's like a 360-degree change, okay. Just like this wheel, you'll be entering into a new phase of life, and man, this is going to be full of passion, okay, full of passion. If you are entering into a new relationship, if you are starting a new career, this is going to be something which is very much in sync with your soul purpose, or your liking, your deep liking, okay. And you're going to be super happy about it. Your energies will be soaring, okay. You'll be very up and high, is what I'm getting over here. This kick, this moment is going to be really good for you, is what I'm getting. I'm so curious to know what change this is bringing into your life, Capricorns. Do let me know if any such thing happens, okay. The overall energy from this Moonology deck is that of work through your fears. That's New Moon in Scorpio. Yes, definitely. Like I said, since this is going to be a very big change, and like I said, I had mentioned earlier that this is going to keep, put you, throw you off the track. Okay, you will not be prepared for this initially. It will take some time to sink in. Okay, whatever opportunity is coming your way, okay, whatever this page of pentacles is bringing into you, bringing in for you, you may not be prepared for it initially right away, but then slowly you'll accept it, you'll acknowledge it, and you'll go for it, is what I'm getting over here. All you need to do is work through your fears. Whatever is happening for your highest good. This is the kind of push that you actually needed. Okay, probably you deserved as well. Okay, know that whatever it is, it's going to bring a 360-degree change in your life. It's going to give, this push is going to be for your betterment. Okay, all you need to do is trust the process, trust God, trust your spirit guides, universe, whoever it is that you believe in, and you just keep on working through your fears and acknowledge and accept it with open arms. Okay, so guys, I'll quickly pull some charms for you guys and see what additional messages we get. Okay, I know this makes a lot of sound. I try not to, but please bear with me for that. Okay, I'll take this one. Let's take this. It feels good to me for your energy. And I'll take one more. I'll take this one. Yeah. It says, I love you to the moon and back. Oh wow, oh my goodness, such a sweet card, charm. So guys, if this is a romantic beginning in your life, if this energy that is coming in is in terms of your personal life, know that this person loves you a lot. It's such a lovely energy. I love you to the moon and back. Wow, I'm so happy. Yeah. Never give up. Wow, another beautiful charm. I got this charm for Cancerian reading as well. So if in case you have Cancer in anywhere in your chart, do check that out. Okay, never give up. Yeah, very beautiful energy, guys. And every hair from fair, some lines declines. Okay, yeah, again I think I got this for Cancer only. Yeah, do check out Cancer, guys, if at all you have in your chart. So this is some word of caution, or the universe is trying to alert you for something. Be a little mindful, especially Prince of Swords energy can be a little tricky. Okay, guys, so just be aware, just be mindful, just be alert. Okay, pay attention to red flags, pay attention to your gut feeling, your intuition, and take actions accordingly. Okay, definitely do pay attention to your intuition, is what I'll tell you through this charm. So yeah, I'll leave it at that, guys. If any of this is your story, if this resonates with you, give the video a thumbs up. Okay, share the video if you want, if you think it will help someone. Okay, some fellow Capricorn. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Last but not the least, I've also started my Insta account a couple of months ago. So if you would want to follow me there, you can follow me at Tarot Talks. Okay, I keep on posting stuff there as well. Okay, so see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.